So yesterday, Xiaomi announced their late-year flagship devices with the unveiling of the new Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro devices, plus the Mi Watch, and all of them they have some cool features. So as the front, it has 6.67-inch display with a 1080p resolution and a small hole punch cutout for the 20 megapixel selfie camera. The Mi 10T Pro is a more simple camera setup. You still get a 108 megapixel main camera with OIS, but there is no periscope telephoto or even any zoom lens at all. Setup is rounded out by a 30 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro shooter. Another change is that instead of an under-display fingerprint reader, the Mi 10T Pro has a side-mounted capacitive one of that doubles as the power button. It also has 5000 mAh battery with a 33-watt fast charger in the box. You should be able to top it up at a decent speed. The rest of the package is quite similar to what you get with the other Mi 10 models. So the Mi 10T Pro has a Snapdragon 865 Plus with a 128GB and 256GB storage and 8GB of RAM, and still 5000 mAh battery. So the Mi 10T Pro was being announced yesterday. It has some cool features, like in colors it comes with Aura Blue Cosmic with antibacterial case and many more. So when it comes to the glass, it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. When it comes to the hearts, it has 144 Hz adaptive sync and many more cool features that you can be able to find it on the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. So when it comes to the camera, it has 80 megapixels, 8K video resolution, dual video. You can be able to record 2 videos with the back camera and the front camera. It has Snapdragon 865 Plus with 5000 mAh battery, up to GB of RAM, and up to 256GB of storage with the 3-watt fast charging and many more cool features. So also it has 5G band than ever, and you can be able to find it on the Xiaomi 10T Pro with multi assistant and middle top battery plus 70% fast charging. So still the main camera, it has 180 megapixel wide angle camera with OIS, like I said earlier, 30 megapixel 1 to 3 degrees from ultra wide angle camera, and last but not least, it has 5 megapixel macro camera. So the Mi 10T Pro comes at a cheaper price than the Mi 10 flagship we have already seen, but it still looks and feels quite premium. The mirror-like back is made from Gorilla Glass 5. As in the front, like I have said it earlier, the Mi 10T Pro, it has some cool features that everyone will be able to like. Most importantly, in the camera model and with 144 Hz refresh rate, I think it is a good features. At heart, swiping through Xiaomi's MIUI interface or scrolling through content is smoother than ever before. The 10T Pro's display is adaptive too, going as low as 30 Hz to match the content on screen. The other major difference the Mi 10T Pro has from the likes of the Mi 10 Pro, it's more simple, like how the camera is, and some cool features with 180 megapixels, 30 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel shooter. The prices of the Mi 10 is 499 euros, and the Mi 10 Pro start at 599 euros. So this is a sample of the Mi Watch that was being announced yesterday, and still it comes with some cool features like everyone will like. So to me, one of the best top features that I like on the Mi 10 Pro is the camera. It's a 180 megapixels AI camera with OIS. I think it is cool. I really like the smartphone because it's a good smartphone that everyone like, especially the 144 Hz refresh rate. So guys, support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will never miss our videos in everywhere you are. As always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Share, peace out, and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.